Tecno is launching the new Camon 40 series with the additional premier variant. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The company is focusing on delivering high-end features at an affordable price point, aiming to capture a larger share of the competitive smartphone market. For now, we are going to discuss the amazing specifications of the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. You will get a massive LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.67 inches display screen size and creating the high resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels with 144 Hz smooth refresh rate. And for protection, there will be a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The Tecno's Camon 40 Premier comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 8354nm chipset and a 3.35 GHz octa-core CPU. There will be 12 GB of RAM and big 256 GB of storage. This Tecno Camon 40 Premier features a triple camera sensor and 3 cameras are equally 50 megapixel with wide, ultra-wide and periscope telephoto lens. The front of the phone will house a single 50 megapixel front snapper. There will be an under-display optical fingerprint reader for phone security. The Camon 40 Premier is fitted with a 5100 mAh lithium battery pack with the support of a super fast 70-watt charger. That's all for now and thanks for watching.